An electronic deadbolt is a secure and convenient way to lock and unlock doors without using a traditional key. It is easy to install and operate, making it a popular choice for homeowners and renters alike. With an electronic deadbolt, you can set your own personal access codes, which can be changed as often as needed, and you can even give temporary access to guests or service providers. One of the biggest advantages of electronic deadbolts is their ability to integrate with home automation systems, allowing you to control the lock remotely via smartphone, tablet, or voice commands. Many electronic deadbolts also come with features such as an alarm that goes off when someone tries to tamper with the lock, or a low battery indicator that alerts you when the battery needs to be replaced. Electronic deadbolts are generally more expensive than traditional deadbolts, but their added features and convenience make them well worth the investment. Overall, an electronic deadbolt is a reliable and practical solution for enhancing home security and access control. Hi my friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I present you best electronic deadbolts with Fingerprint. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Zomnua brand. Zomnua Keypad door lock with handle is made of heavy-duty zinc alloy, which can last a long life, not easy to break. Fingerprint door lock with handle, you don't need to buy an extra front door handle to go with the deadbolt. This electronic deadbolt offers up to 100 groups of fingerprint, 250 codes and 1000 groups of key fob storage in our door lock. This multifunctional door lock is the perfect solution to keyless entry needs. Make our life safer and more convenient. Zomnua keyless entry door lock can set to be locked automatically in 5-900S after the door closed, to ensure your home security while you leave home and hurry. One-touch lock is to lock the door from outside by pressing and holding pound key on keypad for 2 seconds. Anti-peeping password, which add random numbers before and after the real password to protect from prying eyes. Zomnua door lock with keypad is also featured with low battery indicator, mute mode to apply your needs. Zomnua electronic door lock can be installed without additional drilling, and no costly locksmith required. You can install and program this digital door lock. Install in minutes with just a screwdriver. Number 4 in our top is from the Veise brand. With 20 fingerprint codes plus 20 password codes plus 2 spare keys plus one-time password for temporary visitors, the one-time code will automatically delete it after use. With anti-peeping function when entering passwords, and the front door lock set can auto-lock in 10 to 99 seconds, or press a key for 2 seconds to lock the door manually. The ANSI Grade 3 Smart Door Lock was made with sturdy lock cylinder and alloy, powered by 4 AA batteries, work last for more than 1 year, as backlit keypad and low battery alert, mute mode and vacation mode, water resistant, go perfectly with both traditional and modern house. Just with a screwdriver, the door lock will be easily installed and programmed all by yourself in several minutes, compatible with all American standard left and right-handed doors. We continue with the number 3 that is part of the Zowill brand. The Biometric door lock uses latest technology to recognize your fingerprint in just 0.3 seconds and unlock your door within 1 second. The biometric fingerprint recognition rate is up to 99.99%. Quick and secure access, faster than fumbling for your keys. Zowill Smart Lock can memory up to 20 groups password for -10 digits and 20 fingerprints. Whether share with your families and friends or create a one-time password for a visitor, door locks with keypad are there for all your needs. Always forget to lock the door? This keypad deadbolt enables automatic locking for peace of mind. It automatically locks within 10 to 99 seconds of door closing, or instantly locks your door by pressing and holding any button for 2 seconds when going out. Enter random numbers before and after the real password to protect your password from prying eyes. The electronic door lock has been passed up to 100,000 times usage test, and has ANSI Grade 3 certification, high security lock cylinder, solid aluminum construction to provide extra security. The keyless entry door lock fits almost every kind of doors. You can replace your current lock in minutes with just a screwdriver. User manual or installation video will help you step by step. Number 2 in our top is from the Veise brand. With the convenience of keyless entry and the security of our quality components, the Veise Keypad digital deadbolts are a smart solution to traditional deadbolt locks. These locks provide added security and convenient access control options. Veise aims to provide high-quality, safer, and convenient intelligent locks to customers worldwide. Fingerprint door lock recognizes your fingerprint within 0.3s and unlock your door in 1s, stores up to 20 fingerprints and 20 user codes for your family members. Veise electronic keypad deadbolt meets IP54 waterproof and operates well in temperatures from -31 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your home safe in all kinds of climates, including cold winters, hot summers, or rainy days. Backlit keypad is easy to use in the dark. When the battery is low, it will remind you with a flashing red light. For AA batteries, which can be used for 1 year for a long time. The one-time code will be automatically deleted after use, suitable for neighbors, maintenance workers, pet sitters. Protect your privacy from being spied by others by entering random digits before or after your password. The keyless entry door lock can set to be locked automatically in 10-99s. Press and hold any key within 2 seconds to unlock it quickly as well. And finally, the number 1 product in our top is part of the TEEHO brand. TEEHO were established in 2013 and have been focusing on the field of locks for nearly 10 years. Up to 20 different fingerprints and codes allow different family members to customize their own unlock method. Strong and durable, low power consumption for AA batteries can be used for 6 months. When the battery is lower than 15%, there will be a red light to indicate. This keypad lock is IP54 waterproof and operates well in temperatures from -22 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, keeping your home safe in all kinds of climates, including cold winters, hot summers, or rainy days. Long press any key for 1.5 seconds to close the lock, which has the security of deadbolt and is also very convenient. Door lock allows you to set the door to lock automatically after 10 to 99 seconds, avoiding situations where you forget to lock the door due to a rush. Especially friendly for the elderly and children. A one-time door opening password can be set, and the password will be automatically deleted after use. Up to 20 different fingerprints and codes allow different family members to customize their own unlock method. Which electronic deadbolt would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you next time. Goodbye.